Today we're talking about order of operations, and order of operations is a set of rules that mathematicians have agreed to when we have to evaluate expressions that have more than one operation. So when we have an expression that has more than one operation, operations meaning addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we have to evaluate the expressions inside grouping symbols first. Grouping symbols means, for example, parentheses or brackets. Then we have to evaluate powers. Powers means the numbers with exponents. So, for example, 2 to the third power. Then we have to multiply or divide whatever comes first from left to right. And finally, we add and subtract also from left to right, whatever comes first from left to right. So I'm sure you've heard about PEMDAS. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay? And to remember this, I'm sure you've heard, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Another way to remember PEMDAS is using the hopscotch. I like using the hopscotch because having the multiplication and division side by side helps me remember that we use multiplication and division in the order of whatever comes first from left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction, whatever comes first from left to right. If we have to evaluate 8 times 17 minus 2.3, we have to use order of operations because we have two types of operations. We have multiplication and subtraction. So do we have parentheses? Yes, we have parentheses. So let's start with our parentheses. 17 minus 2.3. We have to borrow. So what do I get? 14.7. And I have to multiply 14.7 times 8. And that's how I will finish. 8 times 4. Where do I place my decimal? So there's only one space, there's only one number after the decimal point, and that's how I know that I only move my decimal. So this means 117.6. Did I use order of operations? Yes. We have to evaluate 5 times 36 minus 13 plus 9. We have to use order of operation. Do we have parentheses? What grouping symbols do we see? The bracket and the parentheses. And when we have a grouping symbol inside another grouping symbol, we have to start from the innermost. So what's 13 plus 9? 22. Okay. We still have our bracket, and I'm bringing down everything else. So have we finished with the grouping symbol? No. What's 36 minus 22? 14. Did we finish with the grouping symbol? So now what's left for us to do? 5 times 14, which would be